Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today is one that has been highly requested. You've literally asked me to do this on every single video for the past 5 videos, I'd say. So I think it's about time for me to film this. So today, we're going to be using one ingredient for the whole day. However, obviously, I wanted to make these recipes that were exciting and things that you haven't seen before, because otherwise I could literally just make chips. So the rules are, I have to include the ingredient in every single recipe, and I have to make recipes that I've never made before. So the first thing we are going to do is put our potato and rosemary bread in the oven, which I started yesterday, so I'll include that footage now. Good morning, so it's currently the day before I'm starting this, and I have just found a recipe for a sourdough with roasted potato and rosemary. I don't have a sour starter at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if this works, and I'm just going to alter the recipe a little bit to not have some sour starter. It's a full 24-hour shindig. Sorry guys, not to make you jealous or anything, but I know more about roast potatoes than you do, genius. Oh, stop it. So they are roasted and nice and soft, and then we apparently blitz it. We've got our rosemary all chopped up and ready to go. Okay, so our potatoes are all roasted and I've peeled them now, and now I'm gonna blitz them, which feels very, very novel. Oh my gosh, this blender's really been putting through its paces lately for all of my video recipes. It's gonna be like, no more please. Oh gosh. No more please. Did I break it? Oh, it smells like it's burning. Is it supposed to look like that? Ew. It is the weirdest thing. It's gone like glue. It's literally so sticky. Kind of like a bread dough almost. And I've had to, one of the potatoes didn't chop up, so I've had to like dice it up a bit. Okay, now we leave it for 4 hours. It's got the potato and rosemary in it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the ingredient I'm using today is a very basic ingredient. It's potato, but I'm trying to use it in ways that aren't usually used, if you know what I'm saying. So, if you want me to do this again with another ingredient, comment down below what ingredients I should do it with. Very, very sticky. Okay, get some water going. Literally sounds like I need to get a handsaw for that bread. Proper crusty. Hiya! So, for breakfast we are having the potato and rosemary bread, which is kind of dense, I'm not gonna lie, but remember I did say I was playing around with the recipe, so that's fine. We've got to give it a try. Do you know what I think it was? I don't know what happened to those potatoes, and I know clearly it just said to puree them, but that was no puree, that was like a globule of potato. Anyway, so cheers. We're gonna have some potato and rosemary toasted bread. Let's do a taste test. It doesn't taste that potatoey. That crust. Why didn't I just make the potato and rosemary bread we did at uni? Because literally the first rule of this challenge is doing recipes you've never made before, Grace. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. We had this really good recipe. Maybe I'll have to do a video on that because it was so good. Hello, you just caught me there. So what I'm going to be making for dessert today, for my lunchtime dessert, is Idaho potato cake. Sorry, by the way, the kitchen is absolute carnage, and if my mum saw us put this on the internet, she would not be happy. But I've as you can see, I've been like a tornado around the kitchen trying to get this cake done, because my doctor's appointment took longer than I anticipated, so now we're a bit behind schedule, so I'm going to clean once I've done everything. I did an Idaho potato cake, which I have never heard of before, so all of you people who live in Idaho, I don't know if anyone's watching that would live in Idaho, but hi, how you doing? This is basically a normal recipe, but then it mashed potato in it, and I just think, let's try this sucker, because it's something that I never would have thought to put in a sweet treat. Okay, this feels so wrong. The mashed potato is there. Okay, to be fair, you wouldn't even know that this has potato in it. It looks really nice. I'm gonna be really cheeky and not tell any of my family that it's got potato in, and see if they realise. I really hope they don't. I hope I've blended it enough and they don't get any lumps of potato or anything. Much better. clean environment now, or cleanish. So we're going to be making something. This is inspired by a recipe that I will obviously link below, but I'm going to add a few things because Tesco's decided that I didn't want to have any black beans. It never has black beans, and I don't know why. I feel victimised, but it's fine. We will get on with the show. I'm going to then, my favourite, refried. Every time I say this word, I get hate. Not hate, but people being like, what? What the heck, man? Refried beans, refried beans. I don't think I've had a home phone call since the 1960s. Who is that? So refried beans. I think I got it. Some sliced green jalapenos in brine. Obviously, normally with nachos, you would do on tortilla chips. This just looked fun, to be honest with you. So currently slicing the potatoes for it. Oh, potatoes great. Look at all the lovely potatoes. What would happen if I changed your food to potatoes for a week? Would you just starve and not eat them? Or would you be so hungry that you'd end up eating them and no longer be paleo? So I thought you might want to know what I'm adding to the nacho things. So I'm going to add some spring onions, some coriander. Obviously I've got my refried beans. Yeah, that's what they're called, sorry. Jalapenos, and then I'm gonna make a simple guac with some lime, avocado, and red onion. So we've got dairy-free cheese, we've got salsa. Okay, it's out of the oven. This is what it looks like. Oh, 1 second, Chandler. Can you just shh. Thing that I opened the other day, you all know by now, has literally saved my bacon. This jar, impossible. Let me just show you. Can't open. Fasten this sucker on. Sweet mother of... Okay, I won't lie, it does just look like a mashup of ingredients, but wait until you see my reaction, because... Pearl, how good does this look? It's fully loaded potato nachos. Oh my goodness. I hope they taste good. This is my half, because it's got cheese on, dairy-free cheese, and Jess didn't want any cheese, so...
What's the tea, sis?
Oh, good, Jess.
Some sauce.
And with can you imagine with proper cheese?
Sweet Caroline.
Ba ba ba.
Such a strange sound, that.
That's gone off twice today.
It's okay, it's missing two things.
Cheese.
Can you guess what's on my mind?
Meat.
Yep. Chili con carne, like a nice bit of mince with it. That would really...
Will not take it to a 10?
Ramp it up. With the cheese and the chili, that'd be like a solid 9.
I like it.
And beans.
I tried to close my hands.
Didn't work.
I'm actually really into this. Like, I think this is a new fave for me, Jess.
Easy to make.
That was a big swallow.
Quite a swallow, that one.
That hurt, did it?
A little bit. Vegan cheese has just made me lose faith in vegan cheese. What?
I was trying to work out what was in my mouth.
Oh, that's the worst. I would think the worst. You're like, is that a bug? Is that a spider?
You know, like the outer bit of the potato, it'd become stringy.
Oh, I thought it was.
And it wouldn't break. I was like trying to put my big tongue through it. New trend, I think it should be. Potato nachos. Okay, here it is. It's a bit crackly. That's how I'll explain it. I don't know what piece to go for. So here it is. Jess, this is good. It's so moist.
It's got nuts in, that's why it's so good. That is, I tell you, that's the key ingredient. Anyone who makes anything
and pecans.
Chocolate. Pecans.
I want to have me a second slice. Again, would be nice with like an icing or a fudge. Okay, so Jessie's just popped out to the post box so I can say what I'm about to make. I'm gonna make some crisp cookies because I've seen these a lot, like the whole sweet and salty vibe, and I just feel like, can they be good? So I'm gonna use ready salted crisps in a cookie recipe, which will be linked down below. Just making the cookies. Here we go. What do you think? Jessie's trying the cake.
Because I went for an edge piece, it is quite dry.
You reckon it's dry? It tastes weird.
I'm not getting much nut.
Does it taste weird?
No, what did you put in there?
It's mashed potato cake.
Can't taste that.
Can't taste it at all, can you?
I'll try that. I'll feel it.
So, would you eat it again?
Yeah. I think I'll go for a middle piece. 6, but I reckon I'd probably get normal with 7.
I'm eating only recipes with potato in.
That's all. Chips.
No, I'm trying to think of things that are inventive.
Oh, that's why I just go wrong. I just have chips all day long. Crisps.
Here they are. You can literally see the crisps in there. I've put a little sprinkling of sea salt on top, so I think they could potentially be good. They are brown sugar, so they look like they're burnt, but actually look, you can see how soft they are in the middle. Okay. In case you wanted to see, these are what they look like without any crisps in, and then these are the ones with crisps. It's dinner time! Okay, for the family, I have made one with proper cheese. So this is a potato leek and bacon layer thing, with obviously real cheese on top, because they ain't gonna want my nasty vegan cheese. I'm not even vegan, I'm dairy free. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I literally have to say it in every single video. But it's potato, and that's the main criteria for design. Why do all the words I say at the moment merge? So that's their one. That's my half. That's Jessie's half. That's Chloe's half. That's Dad's half. And Mum's out for tea. You didn't need to know that full breakdown, but I just told you anyway, so enjoy. Hi. So it's just dinner for one today. Here it is. The salad is for the family. Don't you worry. It's not got any potato in, so I can't have it. So here's my mound of potato leek. I do love leeks. There are just some vegetables I really like. Like, I just really like broccoli. I really like leeks. Oh, that is good. That is really, really... That's delicious. We'll try and find a similar recipe and link it below. But this one was just made up from my head, so I can't really... Quite frankly, that was incredible. Potatoes, you're good. Well, I clearly ate it too quickly because that's why I get hiccups. I'm gonna try one of these now. Today is potato day. For me. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, they're quite good. You don't actually, I don't taste crisps at all. Oh! It's got a nice salty bit. I can approve of these. Very good. Okay guys, last snack thing of the day. We are coming for our last humble potato. Oh, this fridge lighting, kind of good. So here's the potato, and what we're gonna do, I'm following this thing I found online for microwave potatoes, where you have a potato, slice them really thinly, put them in cold water, pat them off, put them in the microwave, and apparently it creates a crisp. Apparently putting it in the cold water is vital to remove the starches. So here they are before, and then we just put them in the microwave. Paper in there, is it gonna burn? Right. Banksy's sulking at the end of the table because she can't have any crisps. Are you gonna sniff it? Yeah, I knew it. You can't resist no sniff. You love a sniff. They've been on for 2 minutes 30, and now we have to flip them over. They've not started to... This plate is boiling. Haven't started to cook at all, but apparently we flipped them over, so... Okay, I put it in for 3 minutes 30 this time. Let's... Oh, they're definitely not crisps yet, but they're getting there. No, they're just soft. I feel like I'm just gonna let them go for a bit more, because... Okay, I'm feeling hopeful. Please, 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 please. This is like so tense. Shut up. They're getting there. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm flipping them over and we're gonna go again because I think these could really get there. Look at this. It's like a... I mean, definitely would be better just to get a packet of crisps, but still excited. Okay. No. This can't be real. Sorry, but honestly, that is wild. I'm getting myself a little bowl and having a little snack for TV time. Imagine you can add so much seasoning. Okay, it's steaming in there and I feel like that's a bad sign. Oh, she did a whoopsie. Oh no, it's gonna set the fire alarm off. Ah. No, don't do it. Oh no, it's gonna go off. My ears are so delicate, I hate it when it goes off. I think we salvaged it. Let's put them, not the burnt one. I'm so happy. Oh, she really out here burning up. Burning up, burning up. You baby. Okay, here are the crisps. Here's the texture. Do you want to try a crisp? Please, just.
I think they would be nice, not warm.
What are they?
Crisps.
Nice.
Make them in the microwave. I did burn one
It's
because
just throwing me that they're warm.
What do you reckon, Dad? If I did
You know,
seasonings.
like when they've been in the car and the sun's been shining on
Oh, I get you. Imagine if I did proper seasonings as well.
The seasoning's good.
Not bad.
I'm so happy. Oh, Chloe's got the pincers. Show the pincers, just the pincers. I don't know if they can see. Can they see? Oh, you got burntish one. Fondling all my crisps.
I'll have another one if it's up for grabs.
Oh, we like them. Wow. Absolutely chuffed. Right, I'm having a bath. Well, that was fun, and I think we can say we achieved our goal of trying lots of new recipes. Honestly, those microwave crisps have really changed the game. I know you could just have a normal packet of crisps, but this was about trying new things, and that is exactly what I did. So let me know if there's another food that you want me to try, because I know I made it really easy by doing potato. But love you all loads. Hope you have a cracking weekend. See you on Monday for a very exciting video, which I have spent so long making and editing, so I hope you enjoy it. See you Monday. Peace out.